Today, we're looking at the RALENO Photo Studio Light Box, a 16 inches x 12 portable shooting TED kit designed for professional quality product photography. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, this kit promises high-quality results with minimal effort. Let's dive into what makes this light box stand out. In the box, the 16 inches by 12 inches x 12 RALENO Photo Studio Light Box with 112 LED light beads. 6 color PVC backdrops: black, white, orange, blue, red, green. A soft diffuser for even lighting. A DC charger, a user manual, and a storage bag to keep everything organized. It's a complete package, ready to go for your next product photoshoot. First off, the RALENO Light Box is equipped with a 24-watt LED bulb featuring 112 large-size LEDs, delivering a powerful 2100 lumens of brightness. What's even better is the high color rendering index CRE97, ensuring that your product's colors are accurately represented. This is essential for lifelike product photography, especially if you're showcasing items where color detail is critical. One of my favorite features is the steepless dimming. You can easily adjust the brightness from 0 to 100% using the stable DC power supply, which eliminates flickering. This results in soft, even lighting perfect for reducing shadows and reflections. Whether you're photographing jewelry, small gadgets, or collectibles, the lighting remains consistent and smooth. At 16 inches x 12, this light box is the perfect size for small product photography. Think jewelry, watches, toys, or other small items. It's compact, portable, and super easy to set up or disassemble. So, whether you're at home or on the go, this light box makes professional quality photography convenient and effortless. The RALENO Light Box also comes with 6 thicker, high-quality PVC backdrops in black, white, gray, orange, green, and blue. These backdrops are super easy to swap out, allowing you to match the background to your product. Whether you're going for a clean, minimalist look with white, or want to make a product pop with a bold color, you have options. And with multiple shooting angles, you can capture your product from any perspective. Durability is key with this light box. It's crafted from a 4-layer premium lining and features a strong metal frame. The materials are high quality and built to last, making this light box a reliable companion for your photography needs. Plus, its sturdy construction ensures it can handle regular use without damage. All in all, the RALENO Photo Studio Light Box is a fantastic option for anyone looking to improve their product photography. With its powerful, adjustable LED lighting, versatile backdrop options, and compact design, it offers everything you need to capture professional-looking photos with ease. Whether you're shooting for your online store, social media, or just personal projects, this light box will elevate your photos to the next level. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and photography tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.